One of the key features of the FLM-430-I4R2 is its ability to manage four-wire conventional detectors in fire detection systems. The module connects and controls up to four four-wire conventional detectors on a single unit. It performs continuous monitoring and enables resetting of these detectors through configurable settings. This centralized control reduces installation complexity and improves system maintenance efficiency. The module incorporates advanced pre-alarm detection. This allows for early identification of potential fire conditions before they escalate into fire events. The pre-alarm detection can be customized to meet specific environmental requirements and safety protocols. If you are upgrading an older system, our module's built-in backward compatibility ensures seamless integration. By simply adjusting resistor values, it adapts to your existing detectors and wiring, making retrofits fast and cost-effective. FLM-430-I4R2 effectively streamlines project planning and system implementation while ensuring reliable fire detection operation.